Hey guys, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident and a part-time YouTuber, and I welcome you to my channel Dr. JTM. As I promised that I would get back to you with my medicine spot revision notes, here I am all set and ready with the book. As you have only 20 days to NEET PG exam and we don't have much time, I have taken some extra hours and worked on it. Because with this change in the clinical pattern of NEET PG exam, I feel medicine plays a vital role in your overall score and it will definitely make an impact on your rank. Well, many people feel that medicine being a huge subject, they will either decide to leave the subject and appear to the exam, while some have fear to revise the subject as it is time consuming. But that's not how we appear to the final exam with the sense of incompleteness, leaving a main subject. So I have made a list of topics that are being repeatedly asked in the medicine and definitely which are spotlight topics for NBE to ask them in the NEET exam. So all the topics that I have listed are made into concise short notes which is perfectly suitable for you to revise in the last few days to the NEET exam. I will provide you the PDF of that spot revision medicine notes, but before that, did you subscribe to my channel? If not, go subscribe, as my upcoming videos will be about what you guys need to do in this last few days to NEET exam, which will be a game-changing strategies. So don't miss them. So before I tell you how you can get this PDF, let me tell you what are the perks of this spot revision notes and how you can effectively utilize this revision notes before you go to NEET exam. This medicine spot revision book will have a complete set of 50 topics. Oh my god, 50 topics? Okay, let me put this another way. This medicine spot revision book will have 60 pages only with 50 topics. That means one topic in a single page. And you can complete this entire book in one day, which is really a big time saver for a subject like medicine, isn't it? The book is concised and concised effectively. All the points that are important and gold standard, and the points won't be just bland like one-liners. The topic will have concepts intact so that you will be oriented thinking clinically. And second thing is, you might think why I need to read this spot revision notes, which will be a new book and everything will be new again. No, this is not a new book. This is your very own preparation notes, the medicine book that you have been studying since the beginning of your preparation, which have been made into crisp and short revision notes. That's how I made it, so that you won't feel that you are in a new zone. And the third highlight of this spot revision notes is I have highlighted all the points that are concept linked. And also I have not just written the notes, but I have marked a single green star and a double green star, which will be almost a direct NEET MCQs. So if you want a quick, much more quick review, then definitely this will be helpful. And I placed high yield points into boxes and I placed images which are really very important. That's the essence of this entire spot revision medicine book, which will be jam-packed with everything you needed. Now let me tell you how you can get the PDF. It's the same way how you got the stick notes, by buying me a copy. How is that? I have given a link to buy the PDF of spot revision notes in the description. Go click it. When you click it, it will redirect you to the site where you can see get the PDF. Click on it, then it will take you to the payment site. But before you make the payment, remember that you need to give your name and mail ID. Make sure that your mail ID is very correct, because you will directly get your PDF to your mail. Next, 3 modes of payment: UPI, credit card and PayPal. You can get the PDF for 525 rupees only. Once you are done with the payment, you will receive a pop-up message saying, "Hey doc, thanks for supporting Dr. JT's work. You will receive your PDF to your registered email ID. Sit back and relax." You will receive the PDF within 6 hours after your payment. So please don't worry that you haven't got the PDF immediately after your payment. Maximum of 6 hours, but even after 6 hours, if you didn't get the PDF, then definitely you can ping me on my Instagram or Telegram. The links to my Instagram and Telegram are given below. The PDF I send will open in the Dropbox app only. Because the PDF is 250 MB, the Dropbox app will let you open the PDF quickly. So I suggest every one of you to download the Dropbox app before you open the PDF. So that's it. Go get the spot revision notes for medicine and make your preparation much better and gain the extra marks by studying the clinical points. If you're loving my work, go subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM, and I will be back with another great video. Till then, bye. See you again.